Is your Wi-Fi strings connected but the internet just keeps loading, frustrating, right? Don't worry, we're not alone. A lot of Windows 11 users face this exact problem. And the good news is that it can be fixed. In this video, I will walk you through 3 simple but highly effective methods to solve the Wi-Fi connected but no internet issue on Windows 11 too. Follow along carefully and by the end of this video, your internet should be working smoothly again. Fix 1. Update your network drivers. Click on the Start button and type Device Manager in the search bar. From the results, click to open it. Now look for your network adapter section and expand it. Find your Wi-Fi adapter. If you are not sure which one it is, don't worry. You can quickly open network connection to check the exact name of your adapter, whether it is Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Once you know the correct adapter, go back to Device Manager, right-click on it and select Update Drivers. Now choose Search automatically for drivers. Windows will check for the latest updates and install them for you. If your internet starts working after this, that's great. But if it doesn't fix the issue, no problem. We still have more solutions. Fix 2. Change your DNS settings. The second method is to adjust your DNS settings, which often resolve internet connection issues. Click on the Start button again and search for network connections. Open it and locate your Wi-Fi adapter. If you are using Ethernet, this method will work the same way. Right-click on the adapter and select Properties. Scroll down and double-click on Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/RTB4. Select the option to use following DNS server addresses. Type this address exactly as I say. In the preferred DNS server box, type 8.8.8.8. And in the alternate DNS server box, type 8.8.4.4. These are Google's public DNS servers. They are fast, secure, and highly reliable. After entering them, click OK and OK again to save changes. The small adjustment has solved internet issue for many users. Once you have done this, test your connection. If your connection starts working perfect. If not, let's move on the third fix. Fix 3. Reset your network using command prompt. The last method is to reset your entire network configuration using command prompt. The step is clear out any conflicts that might be blocking your connection. Click on the Start button and type command prompt. Then right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. This step is important, so don't skip it. Once the command window opens, you will need to run a few commands that will reset your network settings. Don't worry, you don't have to memorize them. I have listed all the commands in the description box or pinned comment below for you, so you can simply copy and paste them one by one. After typing each command, press enter. These commands will reset your Wi-Fi settings, flush your DNS cache, and refresh your network configuration. All of this helps clear out problems that could be causing your network to stop working, even though your Wi-Fi is connected. Once you have entered all the commands, restart your PC. After your system ports back up, your internet should be back, and that's it.